and welcome to Heads Up. It's not just professional sports like cricket, football and tennis that are being taken up by youngsters seriously today. They are open to experimenting. And today on the show, we are going to introduce you to some of those who chose not to stick to the cliches and are exploring a whole new world of endurance sports. First up is the story of a 20-year-old mountaineer who, after almost climbing Everest, now dreams of climbing the tallest peak in every continent.
Sachi was chosen for the Everest expedition in 2012 and was made to undergo rigorous training in Garhwal, Sikkim and Himachal. She scaled the vicious mountain almost to the top until her team and her were forced to return.
It was a brilliant expedition and brilliant experience actually. It was my first 8,000 meter peak, and it was like we had a lot of well-skilled mountaineers with us, and getting to learn from them about mountaineering more, and it actually grew that bond stronger and stronger, and it helped me learn a lot actually.
Sachi has always loved adventure sports and has spent time taking mountaineering and water sports courses.
Adventure sports, and especially this mountaineering, a lot of people are not much aware about it, like how expeditions actually go and what all plans we do, like before an expedition. How do we plan? Like we have to plan the team members, the selection and the ration, the equipments and the route and everything.
While every mountaineer carries a burden of all the survival necessities on his shoulder, Sachi says that every expedition requires a lot more than just physical strength. Up there, a mountaineer fights solo.
Like in other sports, like you have a lot of people in the stadium and to cheer you up. But in this sport, when you are up there climbing, and when you know that you have to reach to the top, you won't see anyone cheering up for you. Just the skies, the wilderness, or you're just alone.
Next up is the story of Melvin Thomas, an IIT Kanpur graduate whose first love football is now his full-time profession.
You often don't hear this story. The story of an engineer who beat lakhs of students around the country to make it to IIT Kanpur, only to decide later to follow his true passion, his passion for football. Meet Melvin Thomas, part-time engineer and full-time football lover, moonlighting as a coach at the Baichung Bhutia Football Academy. Melvin graduated from IIT Kanpur in 2012, a place he says that was crucial in developing his love for football.
I am from a town called Kanjirapalli in Kerala. It's in the district Kottayam, and that's where I did my schooling from. We just played on the streets, we played on the ground, whatever we could find, and as a result I felt that there was something lacking. And once I came to IIT and I saw the whole infrastructure over there, and within 4 years I developed somewhere into a semi-professional football player, and that that gave me the idea that if this can be done at the grassroots, why, when we would be at a very advanced stage, especially in the international level. So I was thinking about just toying with a few ideas and then searching on the internet, and then I came across this Baichung Bhutia Football School.
Melvin is now a full-time coach at the Baichung Bhutia Football Schools, training young students, a job that he loves dearly. However, deciding to become a football coach after an IIT degree was a decision that came with its own set of questions and doubts from those closest to him.
My family, so they were telling me to go on a more professional route and find out what is there, but majorly there is a lot of issues also, even with engineers in this country, is that you don't get exactly to do what you want also as an engineer. So that I got a job in a bank. So I was like, between banking and football, I would rather choose football.
Smart choice. I do wonder though how many would leave a banking job for one as a football coach. Definitely very few people. and most definitely only true football lovers. Any advice for those who haven't been able to follow their passion yet, Melvin?
Where you are in a dark forest all the time, you don't know what to do, you want to get out, but you're not able to get out. But the only way to get out is to keep at it. Keep at it, even if you're doing something else, like if you're doing engineering on the side and you still love something that you want to do, keep doing both of them till you find your passion more viable, then you can jump on. I think would be a good advice. I don't know if I'm in a position to give advices also, but still.